Korean barbecue is a popular method of grilling meat in Korean cuisine. It is a dish of marinated meat such as beef, pork, chicken, etc., grilled on a tabletop grill and served with various side dishes, sauces, and seasonings. Korean barbecue has a rich history dating back centuries. During the Goryeo Dynasty, meat was exclusive to the upper class. However, during the Joseon Dynasty, grilled meat became popular as Korean farmers adopted Mongolian cooking methods. Korean barbecue is more than just a meal, it is a cultural experience that includes a communal atmosphere. For those who prefer a plant-based diet, there are several vegetarian options for Korean barbecue. One popular option is stew, soybean paste stew, kimchi stew, and cold noodles. Korean barbecue is more than just a meal. It's a cultural experience that brings people together over a communal grill. Its unique flavor and texture and potential health benefits have made it a popular dining option around the world. Thank you for watching. I look forward to posting the next video. Be happy until then. This is from Susang Daddy.